How would you like to make neat, perfect speech cards in under 3 minutes? Carry on watching to see how. Before you start, you will need 2 documents. The speech cards template, which you can download from the link below the video, as well as your speech that you've typed up in a normal Word document. Simply copy all the text from your speech and paste it in the first box in the template. You can choose to paste it as plain text, which means it will lose all formatting that you've already done and adopt the formatting of this template. Or if you've already done some formatting like underlining and making words bold, you can keep the formatting and change the size afterwards. To change the size of all text, place your cursor in the first text box and press Ctrl-A on your keyboard. Now you can make changes to the text, like choosing a different font type, size, maybe changing the alignment to justify, or even just space the text a bit differently. When you're happy with that, go through your speech and add in a few extra enters to ensure that the lines you want together stay on the same card. Now scroll to where your speech ends and delete the unnecessary pages. First, delete the unnecessary text boxes, and when you get to complete pages, you can move your cursor to the gray area and from the top of the page, click and drag down, and it will select full pages at a time. Now I've just moved it over to the right, and then I can press the delete button on my keyboard. Backspace once should do it. Okay, a few times, 3 times, and there you go.